My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that comes from the website Goldenaffilate.store. So, Goldenaffilate.store is a deceptive site that may periodically attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This Golden Affiliate.store claims that it is somehow related to the well-known security program, but there is no connection between these pop-ups by Goldenaffiliate.store and that well-known security program. You should not interact with all these pop-ups. You should not trust their deceptive statements. Goldenaffiliate.store actually tries to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted software. So please be careful, don't interact with these deceptive pop-ups and don't install anything that they actually suggest. As I said, there is a high risk of your computer being infected with potentially unwanted programs if you download anything through these deceptive pop-ups. My recommendation is that you research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin thoroughly researching your system to detect and delete other threats from your computer.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.